This is our latest generator. Now the advantage of this generator is it is extremely low RPM based on the voltage that it generates. Now what I will do is I will demonstrate how low RPM this generator really is. This is a new design. This is something I've been working on, and it now works, and I wanted to demonstrate it so everybody can see. This small generator is the same size as a 15 kilowatt. It has twice the voltage, or more than twice the voltage, and half the current. So when you see this thing run, and I'll turn it on in just a second, you'll see how low the RPM is for the amount of voltage it generates. Now I'm going to turn it on, and we're going to see, you can see it spinning up. Now what we want to do is I want to show you, let's take a small voltage, let's say about 100 volts. We want to see what RPM 95 volts will generate. See that? It's 176. 176 RPM, and you're getting 94.3 volts. I'm going to lower it a little bit. We're down to 79.2 volts. You can see that right there, 78.6 specifically. And we will, so we're 140, 141, 138. So we're doing 139 RPM, and we're getting 76.3. Now I'm going to spool it up. Now here we're at 180 volts. See what the RPM is. $329.26. Let's go to 200 volts. So there is 216. Normally you would run your inverters, let's say 250, all right? You get 250, you'd have to be 456. I'll turn it back down. This is more than twice the voltage of our 15 kilowatt at the same RPM. Now there's 139 or 140. Let's see what the RPM is. $256. Let's see what 48 volts is. There's 50 volts. Let's see what the RPM is for 50 volts. .96 RPM. This is a fairly dramatic new generator insofar as that it produces all this voltage at ultra low RPM. That you don't get much lower RPM. You can virtually see the rotor spinning, and you can hear the motor. This generator takes a little bit more effort to build. It's not the same price as a 15 kilowatt. We're going to be pricing this at $34.95 because of the complexity and the difficulty of building it. This is what people want. This is a perfect generator for wind turbines, water wheels, anything that requires low RPM. And you've seen the low RPM. Here we're turning at a consistent 51 volts and .93 RPM. That's about as good as you can get it to make this thing function. We're excited about it. We're happy to have done it. A lot of people have asked for an ultra low RPM generator. Here you are. This is the ultra low RPM generator.